Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair guys. If you have a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, if you guys need to find the fuse for the passenger power seat, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located and why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 guys that we have right here, but even if you have a different year from that generation, it may be helpful as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's under the hood, that's in the engine bay. That's the engine bay fuse box, okay, that we will need to check. So let's first talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now you can see you have two different kinds of fuses, J-case fuse and the microblade fuse. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a fraction of the price instead of going to the parts store, you can conveniently get them online. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and supplies from. So those are the relays on top. The next row will be with fuses, and the fuse that you will need to check guys, if you come on the very left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. That 30 amp guys fuse right here is for the power seat on the passenger side. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.